Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Harrier. Has the 3.0 V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle comes with 17,653 original miles. It is four-wheel drive. This vehicle comes with 2 doors in the front, 2 rear doors, and a rear hatch. I really like this green. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. I did want to let you know that when you do start driving this vehicle, when you put it into gear, all the doors lock. So when you shut it off, put it in park and shut it off, you're going to have to click the unlock button. If not, the 3 remaining doors outside of the driver's side will remain locked. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The other thing I was going to tell you was the number that you're seeing down at the bottom, 28,410. That is the kilometers. The miles on it is 17,653. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. For more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It means the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. And once again, thank you.